Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Uh,
Morning,
to,
sir.
today
Morning,
I'm
sir.
Good
going
morning.
to teach question number 11 of your book. Actually, in the question you can see so that the angle between two diagonals of a cube is cos inverse 1 by 3. Solution here, first of all, you can see here in the adjoining figure. This figure is a cube, as I saw as a concrete example. Actually, in the cube, there are the 6 surfaces. You can see here where is length, this is breadth, this is height. Length, breadth, and height are equal. So here are 6 surfaces, but actually in the figure, you can see the 3 different colors you can see there. So that this is only one surface, and opposite of this surface, we have another surface, and opposite to the green part, you can see the next surface, because we have drawn this figure in the 2-dimensional cases, but actually this is the figure of 3D. And this is yellow means third part you can see there. Therefore, in the solution, I have written here, let O be the origin. Actually, you can see there on the, this cube. Whereas this is x-axis, OX is x-axis, OY y-axis, OE this is z-axis. Therefore, write down, let O be the origin. O is the origin, you can see in the figure. O is the origin, and OA is equals to OB is equals to OC. Actually, these are the adjacent sides of a cube. So these are the adjacent sides of a cube, which is OA, this is OB, and this is OC. These are the adjacent sides of a cube, which are taken on the x-axis, y-axis, and the z-axis. If OA is equal to OB equal to OC is equal to A, it means if it is cube, whereas its length, its breadth, and the height are the same, if it is cube, then the coordinate of OG, BFR. If so, what is the coordinate of A, O? Coordinate of O is 0, 0, 0. Likewise, what is the coordinate of G? Actually, the coordinate, it is seen on the plane, but actually it's not. It is on the space. The point G is written, point G is given on the space. Therefore, its coordinate goes to G, A, A. So to get the coordinate of G, first of all, you have to move from origin. OA, A unit, AD also A unit, DG is also A unit. Therefore, coordinate of G goes to A, A, because from origin, this is A unit, A to D, this is A unit, D to C, it is also A unit. And likewise, coordinate of B is given on the y-axis because B is overlapping on the y-axis. Therefore, the coordinate of G goes to 0, A, 0 because it is on y-axis. If any point on the y-axis, its coordinate is 0, A in the 2D, but actually in the 3D, it will be 0, A, 0. Likewise, the coordinate of, the coordinate of F, because the coordinate of F, the point F is on the XZ plane. You can see here it is XZ plane. So actually its coordinate is A, 0, A because it is on the XZ plane. XZ plane means coordinate of Y will be 0. Therefore, you can write down here. A, 0, A. Actually, this is the coordinate of XZ plane. But actually, question has said so that the angle between two diagonals of a cube. Two diagonals of a cube means one diagonal is equals to OG is a one diagonal, other diagonal is BF. One is OG is one diagonal, other diagonal you can see in the figure. This is BF is another diagonal. Therefore, you can use the distance formula, distance between O to G. For this, we do write down here as a distance formula. OG square is equals to x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square. Therefore, a minus 0 whole square plus a minus 0 whole square plus a minus 0 whole square equal to 3a square. So actually OG is equals to a root 3. If you take the square root on the both side, you will get this. Now actually to get the angle between the two lines, first of all, whether you can find out here directional ratios or you can find out the directional cosine. Therefore, the directional cosine of OG. Directional cosine of OG are x2 minus x1 by its distance, comma y2 minus y1 by its distance, comma z2 minus z1 by its distance. Actually, the coordinate of g goes to x1, y1, z1. Coordinate of g goes to x1, y1, and z1. You can see here. Therefore, x2 means a minus 0 by a root 3, b minus 0 by a root 3, c minus 0, sorry, z2 minus z1 by a root 3. Now, a, this numerator and denominator, you can see there, even in a screen also, you can see there, you can eliminate. Finally, you will get here 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Actually, we got the directional cosine of OG. As you know that it is cube. Cube means all the diagonals of a length of the diagonals of a cubes are equal. Actually, there are the 4 diagonals in the cube. So actually, this length are equal. Therefore, you can write down here length of OG and length of BF are equal. These both lengths are equal. Therefore, you can write down here. Similarly, the directional cosine, sorry. Okay, yeah, okay, no problem, you guys. Listen, just listen to me. Figure and this, okay, yeah, all right. The directional cosine of BF. BF, directional cosine of BF also formula is also same. X2 minus X1 by distance of BF, comma, Y2 minus Y1 by its distance. You can see Z2 minus Z1 by its distance. Therefore, BF and OG are equal. X2 minus X1 means coordinate. For the B, X1, Y1, Z1, you have to suppose for F, X2, Y2, Z2. X2 means coordinate of BA, sorry, F you can say A minus 0 by A root 3. Y2 means 0 minus A by A root 3. Z2 means A minus 0 by A root 3. After this, you will get here. This A minus 0 means A and A eliminate 1 by root 3. 0 minus A means minus A by A root 3 minus 1 by root 3. A minus 0 by A root 3 means A cancel 1 by root 3. Right after this, you can write down here, let theta be the angle between OG and BF. Therefore, to find out the angle between the two diagonals of a cube, just use the formula cos theta equals to L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 equals to 0. Then you can see there in the question, you can see there coordinate of OG means 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Coordinate of BS means 1 by minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. So for this x1, y1, z1, this is x2, y2, z2. Therefore, x1 into x2 means this here 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 plus y1 into y2, 1 minus, sorry, 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3, z1 into, sorry, n1 into n2, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Finally, you will get here 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. That's eliminate this 1 by 3. And cos theta equal to 1 by 3, theta equal to cos inverse 1 by 3. Now you can ask the question. If you don't understand, please tell me. I'll write down on the board and I'll make you understand. Do you have any question? Students, do you have any question or not?
No, sir.
Everybody understood this?
Yes, sir.
If
Yes, sir.
if
Sir.
not, if not, I will, um, make you understand by writing on the board, which is at the back. My board, whiteboard is at the back. I'll make you understand. If you have any question, please tell me. Okay. Otherwise, I'll show the next slide if you have understood this. Okay. No sound. It means you understood.
Yes,
You understood this. I'm going to show the new slide. Understand? Everybody? Do you have any question or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Any
nobody is.
questions?
It means you don't have any question. For the same thing, I'll upload on the messenger group, D9 to D11 messenger group. Same thing I'll upload there. All right. Okay. May I show the another part? Oh, Premlal, is there on your
Yes, sir.
screen? Premlal, anything is there on your screen or not?
Yes, sir.
Are you looking? Okay. First of all, Prerana, please read out the question what you have seen there on your screen. I think she has internet problem. Prerana,
Hajur sir,
read out the question what you have seen there.
find the projection of the pair of points 3, -1, 2, and 5, -7, 4 on the following lines.
Yes.
A. On the coordinate axis.
Yeah. All.
B.
Hmm. B, what is there?
On the line whose direction cosine are proportional to 1, -1, 2.
Hmm.
And C numbeरमा चाहिँ on the line joining the points 0, 1, 0 and 137.
Thank you so much, Prerana. First of all, I want to make you understand this question. Everyone, if you don't understand the question, then solution is worthless in the mathematics. Therefore, first of all, you need to understand question clearly. First of all, I'll try to make you understand the question. Find the projection. It means projection you have to find out. Projection means, what is the projection means? Of the line. You have to find out the projection of the line. I already said you, projection of any line is r cos theta. Projection of one line to the another line is r cos theta. R means the length of this line. Theta means the angle made by a line, projection line with the another line. So actually, if you have to find out the projection of the join of the pair of the points 3, -1, 2, and 5, -7, 4 on the following lines, question has said. It means that you have to find out the projection of the line joining the point 3, -1, 2, 5, -7, 4 on the following lines. One is on the coordinate axes. Actually, you guys, you need to understand here, coordinate axes means x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. First of all, number one, I'm going to tell you here. Find the projection of the join of the pair of lines, pair of points. It means, first of all, you have to projection on the projection of a line on the x-axis, projection of the line on the y-axis, projection of the line on the z-axis. Actually, I want to ask this question with Sagar. Sagar, please tell me, what is the directional cosine of x-axis? It means, what is the directional cosine of a x-axis stands for? What is the directional cosine of a x-axis? X-axis makes the angle 0 degree with x-axis, 90 degree with y-axis, 90 degree with the z-axis. Therefore, directional cosine of the x-axis is 1, 0, 0. Directional cosine of a y-axis is 0, 1, 0. Directional cosine of the z-axis is 0, 0, 1. So actually, this already I derived. So now you need to understand what is the directional cosine of a x-axis. Means cos 0, cos 0, cos 90, cos 90. It means the x-axis makes an angle 0 degree with the x-axis. X-axis makes the angle 90 degree with the y-axis. X-axis makes the angle 90 degree with the z-axis. Therefore, the directional cosine of the x-axis is 1, 0, 0. And the directional cosine with the y-axis means 0, 1, 0. It is proved already. Directional cosine of the z-axis is 0, 0, 1. So actually, this is the coordinate axis. Means you have to find out the projection of a line with the x-axis, projection of a line with the y-axis, projection of a line with the z-axis. And then second thing is this. First thing is that first of all, please suppose one coordinate of a point as x1, y1, and z1. Let x1, y1, z1 be 3, -1, 2. This is actually x1, y1, and z1. Second one is that x2, y2, z2. You can suppose this coordinate, which is 5, -7, 4. This is assumption, supposition. Now there is one formula. Actually, the projection of one line to the another line. If you have to find out the projection between two lines, it means what is the projection of one line, AB line, with the another line. It means that formula goes to x2 minus x1 into L plus y2 minus y1 into M plus z2 minus z1 into L. So this is L, M, N means this is the directional cosine of the another line. Okay, and x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, and z2 minus z1 is these are the coordinates. These are the directional ratios of the given line. Given line stands for the line whose projection is going to be calculated. So this is the formula. So x2 minus x1 means for this x1, y1, z1. Suppose this is x2, y2, z2. It means x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1 means you can write down here. Sorry, everyone. This is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So x2 minus x1 means 5 minus 3. L means 1 because directional cosine is 1, 0, 0. It means that instead of L, write down 0, 1. Instead of M, put there 0. Instead of N, put there next 0. Therefore, x2 minus x1 means 5 minus 3 into 1 plus y2 minus y1 means -7 minus plus into 0 plus z2 minus z1 means 4 minus 2 into 0. Now calculate 2 into 1, 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Actually, this is the projection of the another line. Actually, Pooja or Al, please tell me, do you have any question on it or not, Pooja?
No, sir.
You clearly understood this? Pooja?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Actually, the question has given find the coordinates on the coordinate axes. Coordinate axes already I told you it is on x-axis, on y-axis, on z-axis. Actually, we have got the projection on x-axis. Now let's find out the projection on y-axis. This given here. Let's see there. The projection of the line joining this and this on y-axis. So actually, you have to find out the projection of the line on the y-axis. So actually, its formula goes to, okay, let's see its formula. I'll give you admin for one students. Okay, Lakshman Asare, are you listening to me, Lakshman? Hey, Lakshman, I'll remove from here. If you are not speaking, I'll remove from here. I'll remove this. The student will not speak. When I'm going to ask this question, if you will not speak, I'll remove from the group. It's not nice. Whether you are there or not, how to identify? Huh? Okay. I think it's not there. Unique Cornell.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Unique, do you have any problem till now?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, Unique. Now, actually, coordinate axis means Unique. You need to understand here. Unique is a one example for all students I'm talking here. So, if you need to find out the projection of the line joining, there are two different points you can see there. One is 3, -1, 2. Another is 5, -7, 4 on y-axis. On y-axis means, why I'm calling to unique means, what is the directional cosine on y-axis? Unique, tell me, what is the directional cosine on y-axis? Unique.
0, 1, 0.
Very good. Thank you so much. I think really understood. Directional cosine with y-axis is 0, 1, 0. Thank you so much, Unique. Once more, I want to thank. Please put your hand together, everybody, for Unique for his beautiful answer. Hey, clap everyone for Unique. Okay, thank you. So actually, this is the projection of the line joining the point. This means its formula goes to x2 minus x1 into L plus y2 minus y1 into M plus z2 minus z1 into N equal to 0. Therefore, actually, this formula goes to 5 minus 3 into 0. As Unique said, L is equals to 0, M equals to 1, N is equals to 0. Therefore, 5 minus 3 is 0, minus 7 means y2 minus y means you can see there on the screen. Z2 minus Z1 means Y2 minus Y minus 7 minus minus plus 1 into 1. And another is Z2 minus Z1 means this is 4 minus 2 into 0. Therefore, 5 minus 3 means 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Into 0 is 0. This is 6. So 6 unit is the, the projection of the line on the y-axis. Allah, Susan. Susan is there? Susan, are you listening? Susan, no. Susan not there. Susan. Sulabh. Susan Nabha. Sulabh is there or not? Sulabh, tell me what is the directional cosine on z-axis? Susan.
Sulabh ki Susan ho sir.
Susan आयो Susan. Susan, please tell me what is the directional cosine of z-axis? Sulabh, if so. It took time. Sulabh.
0, 0, 1.
Very good. 0, 0, 1. Thank you so much, Sulabh. Thank you so much. Bundle of thanks for you. So projection of the lines joining the point 3, minus 1, 2, and 5, minus 7, 4 on the z-axis is equals to, this is x2 minus x1 into L plus y2 minus y1 into M plus z2 minus z1 into N. According to the first structure, 5 minus 3 into 0 minus 7 plus 1 into 0, 4 minus 2 into 1, then finally you will get here 2. So actually, again, I will send this file in your messenger group. Don't worry, no need to write down. But anyway, but you have to make it note. When there will be a physical class, then I'll see your note also. So same thing, whatever is written, whatever I have sent the file, same thing you have to copy. Same thing you have to copy. Why I'll send means some student you will have a net problem. Some student will say, sir, I did not see properly. Sir, it was disconnected again, so I missed the classes. You'll say by this way. Therefore, the same thing I will send on your messenger group, and from there you can download and you can write down this. So actually, a number problem we did. A number problem goes to on the coordinate axes. So this is the projection on the coordinate axis. Sagar, you understood or not this process? Sagar, do you have any problem? So Sagar is not speaking. He has the internet problem because he is using from data. So that find the projection of the joint of pair of line. Now we are going to B number. Let's see there. On the line whose directional cosine are proportional to 1, minus 2, and 2. So one thing you need to understand. Directional cosine proportional to means, what does it mean? Directional cosine are proportional to. Look, Prerana, please tell me. Directional cosine proportional to means, what does it mean? Directional cosine are proportional to means, this is the directional ratio. Okay. If the directional cosine are given means, instead of L is this, instead of M is this, instead of N is this. So directional cosine proportional to means, this meaning is that, so this is the directional ratios. You need to understand this. This is the directional ratio. So now what you can do, for this A, for this 1, you can suppose A. For this minus 1, you can suppose B. For this 2, you can suppose C. Actually, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, directional ratio. These are the directional ratio. So now, I want to go to, I'm going to explain B number. It's not A. Actually, it is, sorry, it's B. We don't have just 1 minute, 34 seconds left there. So this A equal to this, B equal to this, C equal to this. Let element be the directional cosine of a line. Actually, directional ratios are given here. Directional ratio means A, B, C. A, B, C, they are the directional ratios. Directional ratios is given. If the directional ratios are given to get the directional cosine, we need to use the formula A upon root under A square plus B square plus C square. So actually, you guys, you need to understand here, A means 1 upon root under 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square means 4. So 1 by root 6. M is equals to B upon root under A square plus B square plus C square. So minus 1 upon this minus 1 by root 6. N is equal to this. So divided by root 6. So now this time is going to be finished. Now will you reconnect again or not? Huh?
Connect, sir.
अझै पढ्ने नि सर
Okay. If
15
reconnection
मिनट
is
भन्दा पनि
there,
बढी छ
then I will explain there in the reconnected. Okay, in the
सर
reconnected times. Now because
रेकर्डिङ के गर्नुहुन्छ
just 10 seconds left, we'll have a reconnection. Before this, I want to drink water.
हजुरले यो रेकर्डिङ गरेको के गर्नुहुन्छ नि सर हामीले हेर्न मिल्छ कि मिल्दैन पछि
मिल्दैन बाबु
के चाहिँ बाबु के भन्नु बाबु भाइले के भन्नु भयो भाइले
रेकर्ड
गर्नको लागि